Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to test out this foundation by SHOPMISSA. It's their own brand that's called AOA Studio. And this is in their palest shade. I think it's called Porcelain. Not 100% sure. But yeah, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna start with this primer here. Alright, so let's see how this looks like. It's a tiny bottle, and yeah, I mean, it's probably nice for traveling, but I feel like that's about it. Let's see if it matches my skin tone. So, wow. Okay, I'm kind of shocked. That's not much of a difference from my hand, right? Alright, I'm gonna do my rest of my makeup and then we'll see if it looks good. But I'm shocked. Alright. I didn't put any concealer under, and I already have pretty dark rings under my eyes, so I'm honestly really happy. And I didn't expect it to be this good. I mean, I obviously don't expect it to last all day, but for $1 or $1.50 or so, I'm impressed. I'm really surprised it actually matched my skin tone. Yeah, it's a thumbs up for me. I'm happy with it. It doesn't look like it's really like where my skin looks dry. No. Actually looks really nice up close. was a cool surprise. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and till next time. Bye. So it's been a couple hours since I applied my makeup, and I actually just come home. I just got home from driving around on my electric bike with my husband, and I just wanted to check in real quick on my makeup, how it looks like. Keep in mind, I wore a mask, a face mask. If you're from the future and you're wondering why, coronavirus, okay? I wore a mask, and so it has rubbed off a little bit on my nose, as you can see. But other than that, it's not that bad, is it? I'm happy with this. Just, I don't know. It's not the end of the world, right? I don't know. I'm happy with it. And I put on a pretty thin layer also. I didn't really, you know, cake it on, so